Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is assertiveness. Assertiveness is key to conflict management. When there is conflict, the key is assertiveness. Homo sapiens, social animals. Human people are called social animals. Homo sapiens mean social animals. Social animals, like human being, have to deal with people at every step to accomplish tasks. Homo sapiens, those social animals, that is human beings, have to deal with human beings only to get the things done always. Dilemmas and conflicts are part of human life. Conflict is a ubiquitous fact of life. Ubiquitous means constantly encountering. Without conflicts, no life will be there. Conflicts will be there in life, in organization, everywhere. People face conflicts, reciprocate through assertiveness and cooperativeness. Win-win situation can be attained by being assertive. Assertiveness is a strong invitation to deal with situations. An assertive person views his wants and rights as equal with those of others. Profile of assertive person: respectful and calm in negotiations, firm, logical, well-balanced and relaxed, open and frank, highly self-aware, remains in control even in fraught situations. Fraught means anxiety. Workplace conflicts: troubling attitude of a colleague, staring eyes of a rude boss, ever resisting manager. Solutions: interpersonal relation with that person, assertive pattern of communication wherein the person needs to be a good listener prior to anything. Assertive pattern of communication: use I statements, be assured while communicating, be direct and clear, use firm and medium pitched voice, say no without offending others, state your views without fear of criticism, embarrassment or inhibition, complain in a way which never humiliates the other person. Assertiveness is a mindset, resistance of judging others and cultivating the habit of not responding hastily. Assertion demands that one should be considerable enough to give a benefit of doubt to the other person. Conflict is an antagonistic state of action. Antagonistic means dislike. Assertiveness is attempt to walk in the shoes of other person. Assertive communication is typified by a winner and loser. Typified means symbolized. Communicate directly with the person you need to resolve the conflict with. Practice integrity and courage in going directly to the source of a problem. Ask, listen and seek to understand. Assertion is the ability to express personal rights. 4 dimensions of assertiveness: 1. Directness, 2. Social assertiveness, 3. Defense of rights and interests, 4. Independence. Conflict management is the practice of identifying and handling conflict in a sensible, fair and efficient manner. Main philosophies of conflict management: 1. All conflict is bad and potentially destructive. Conflict is inevitable and managers should attempt to harness it positively. Harness means control. 3. Conflict is essential to the survival of an organization and should be encouraged. Workplace conflict is commonplace. Conflict management is process of alleviating the conflict by making the concerned parties agree on a middle line of thinking and approach. Alleviating means making less. Handle conflicts early and effectively to prevent costly escalation. Conflict resolution or conflict management is the control of conflict within an organization. Traditionalists believe that conflict is bad and destructive for an organization and they try to avoid it at all costs. Behaviorists believe that conflict is inevitable in an organization and thus the techniques used are to manage conflict positively. Conflict management strategies. 1. People in the organization need to have a shared vision of what they are striving to achieve. 2. Clear objectives for each team or department. 3. All should be effective and efficient in achieving organization goals. Conflict may become a major obstacle in NGO, non-governmental organization, political party or business or government. Conflict resolution styles. 1. Collaborating, I win, you win. 2. Avoiding, you bend, I bend. 3. Competing, I win, you lose. 4. Compromising, you bend, I bend. Resolving conflict in workplace. Toughest aspect of leadership is the ability to deal with people issues. Encourage both people to look at the possible solution. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.